This video will show you some of the advanced features within custom benchmarking. This is the second in a series of videos on custom benchmarking. We recommend that you view how to create a custom benchmark basic before watching this video. In this video, we will review the grouping and filter tabs. Custom benchmarking is a service only available to ROPA Plus members. Custom benchmarking allows you to select from our library of available fields and, where applicable, add peer comparisons and data average lines. If you are not a ROPA Plus member and would like additional information on this service, please contact your regional account executive. To demonstrate the purpose of the grouping and filter tabs, we will create the same benchmark using each option and then highlight the differences in the resulting benchmarks. Let's start with the filter tab. This benchmark is showing the total mechanical FTE using the filter tab. Notice that there is a single column for each year. Alternatively, this benchmark is showing the same information, total mechanical FTE, except it was created with the grouping tab. Notice that the columns are segmented to distinguish between the different functions within the mechanical trades FTEs. Now let's create both of these benchmarks to better illustrate the grouping and filter tabs. Begin with a new custom benchmark. For the x-axis, select staffing, and then use the drop-down to select fiscal year. For the y-axis, select staffing and select effective FTE. Click on the filter tab and click Add Filter. From the drop-down, you can select the field by which you'd like to filter. I'm going to select Sightlines Staff Function. In the value box, I'm going to select HVAC, Plumbing, and Electrical. Refreshing the preview shows my total mechanical trades FTE without any segmentation of the total. Use the Formatting tab to title the benchmark, rename the y-axis, and then click Save. Now let's create the same benchmark, but use the Grouping tab. Again, start with a new custom benchmark. Just like our first example, for the x-axis, select Staffing, and then use the drop-down to select Fiscal Year. For the y-axis, select Staffing, and select Effective FTE. Hitting refresh generates a benchmark showing my total effective FTE. Next, click on the Grouping tab. To add a group, click Add Group. From the drop-down, you can select the field by which you'd like to group. I'm going to select Sightlines Staff Function. In the value box, you can add any of the sections that you would like to appear in the column. So in this example, I am going to select HVAC, Plumbing, and Electrical. When I refresh the preview, we can see that my total value of effective FTE is now showing segments of the three functions that we selected. Use the Formatting tab to title the benchmark, rename the y-axis, and then click Save. Moving between these two benchmarks, you can see that they show the same totals, but the Grouping tab segmented the column while the filter did not. Remember, if you create a benchmark with a non-normalized field, such as total mechanical FTE, you will not be able to add peer comparisons or data average lines. For more information on related topics, visit the quick tip videos and other content located on the support page of the member portal. As a continuation of this training session, we recommend viewing How to Share a Benchmark.